What everyday object was originally invented to help people walk on ice? Sneakers, rubber boots, ice skates, umbrellas. The correct answer is ice skates. What is the aquatic larval stage of a frog or toad called? Nymph, tadpole, larva, newt. The correct answer is tadpole. What is the traditional Indian film industry known for elaborate dance numbers commonly called? Tollywood, Nollywood, Bollywood, Collywood. The correct answer is Bollywood. Which fairy tale tells the story of a tiny girl born from a flower? Snow White, Thumbelina, The Little Mermaid, Rapunzel. The correct answer is Thumbelina. The generation commonly called millennials is officially known as which generation? Generation X, Generation Alpha, Generation Y, Generation Z. The correct answer is Generation Y. Which country is considered the origin of the game Mahjong? Japan, China, Korea, Vietnam. The correct answer is China. Who won the Academy Award for Best Actor for his role in There Will Be Blood, 2007? Leonardo DiCaprio, Daniel Day-Lewis, Russell Crowe, Christian Bale. The correct answer is Daniel Day-Lewis. What is the title of comedian Amy Poehler's autobiography published in 2014? Yes, please. Bossipants. I feel bad about my neck. Is everyone hanging out without me? The correct answer is yes, please. Which famous painting is also known by the Italian titled La Gioconda? The Last Supper, Girl with a Pearl Earring, Mona Lisa, The Birth of Venus. The correct answer is Mona Lisa. Cadmium compounds are commonly used as pigments to produce which type of material? Plastics, glass, paints and ceramics, textiles. The correct answer is paints and ceramics. Cleopatra, the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic Kingdom of Egypt, was born in which city? Rome, Athens, Alexandria, Cairo. The correct answer is Alexandria. Rubies are traditionally associated with which element? Fire, water, air, earth. The correct answer is fire. Which snake species is known for building a nest for its eggs? King cobra, python, boa constrictor, black mamba. The correct answer is king cobra. Which of these is not one of the 13 countries crossed by the equator? Ecuador, Democratic Republic of the Congo, Indonesia, Mexico. The correct answer is Mexico. Which national park is the oldest in the US? Yellowstone National Park, Grand Canyon, Yosemite, Glacier. The correct answer is Yellowstone National Park.